Hello guys, this is Zoe. Welcome to Wuhan Jimmy Laser Technology. Today I want to share with you a laser wet case of a filter is this one. The shear material is the aluminum alloy, and our customers say that the laser is easy to correct when welding with the previous process, so it cannot reach the requirements of the air tightness level. So next, please follow me to see which type of our laser welding machine can finish the welding test. According to the demand of our customer, our technician recommend to use this device. This is our Glovebox laser welding machine. It is filled with the inert gas, and the water oxygen content is controlled below 1 ppm, so it can perfectly solve the customer's problem. Okay, after the welding is finished, let's check how the welding seam under the microscope. Yeah. Okay, now you can check the screen. You can see that the welding seam condition, yes, it's so flat and smooth, and there are no defects such as the pores and the other defects, right? Okay, so if you guys have interest in this video, or if you have the same problem or same question about the laser welding issue, so please kindly click the like button and leave your comment below. See you!